How to compress files to zip folder. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, right click on your display and then click on New. At the top, you'll find Folder. Click on Folder and create a new folder. You'll find different files. Simply drag the files you want to compress. Simply drag the file to the folder. After you have done that, right-click on the new folder and press on Send To. In Send To, you'll find Compressed Zip Folder. Click on it, which is the second option. After you've clicked on it, you'll find New Zip Folder pop up at the top and you're good to go. This is how to compress files to zip folder. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.